Ta-da! Hey guys, so as you can see, it's already night time. There was too much traffic on my way, so the readings that I got for mileage wouldn't have been accurate, so I thought I'll do a fresh run. So right now, as you can see, my tank is almost empty. I am on the last blinker. Yeah, the range is showing 62 kilometers, mostly because I was driving on highway right now, so it's on the good upper side. So what I'll do now is I'll go to Shell petrol pump, fill up the tank, reach my home, and nearby I'll again do the full tank, and then we'll calculate the difference of liters and divided by the, we'll capture the kilometers, how much we have come, and that way we will calculate. I'm also actually trying to find how this DJI Action 5 Pro captures the scene in low light conditions. This is the first time I'm using it in such low light. So yeah, let me know in comments about that if you like this video. Okay, here is the Shell petrol pump. I'll just go and fill up my tank there. Let's take power. Yeah, powerful tank.
Zero. Full tank power petrol.
Okay. बस रहना दो.
Start करो, टरबाइन. Start करो.
कितना हो गया?
Start मारो.
1562.
Power full tank है.
स्कैनर देना.
Start मारो. एक गाड़ी आते हैं तो बहुत. उधर जा. मशीन लेके उधर जा.
ओके.
तेरी. बस में दिखाएगा ना.
हो गया. Okay, let's go to trip and let me set up the reset it. Trip A reset.
Okay.
Fine. Now let's see how much kilometers we run towards home. Also, this is the first time I'm actually using Shell power. There is a lot of conflict really which petrol to use for your higher capacity engines in motorcycles depending upon the compression ratio. So this one has a very high compression ratio and the recommended is 95 octane rating. Most of the petrol pumps in India, even they will say 95 RON. It's not same as 95 octane. So yeah, if you are in India, I would suggest do not redline your bike because that is where the compression is at maximum. But yeah, this Shell Power XP95, Power 95, these petrols are essentially somewhere around 91 to 92 octane rating, and they are good for city use. Also highway runs up to 9 or 10 RPMs, but don't go over 10 is my recommendation. Also, I would like to take this chance to tell you guys that currently nobody wants to wait at all. So currently the meter for average like mileage that the bike currently shows is somewhere around 14.4, and that's overall right from the first kilometer till what I have on the Odo, which is around 700 some change kilometers. Let me quickly confirm that. Yeah, average is 14.5 as you can see on this screen right now. And the total range is showing as 172 plus. It will keep on increasing if we do not encounter traffic, and it will decrease if I get traffic. This bike drinks a lot of petrol in traffic. The roads are very bad. Also, actually, this is the first time I'm riding this bike in night. There will be few patches where there will be absolute no light. So I'll have to see how the lighting of this bike is. It looks average to me, neither too good, neither too bad. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I will see if I find some place where there are no street lights. Okay, I'm on the highway now, but still there is a lot of traffic. Maybe this will give me an actual idea on how much mileage this bike is giving in a mix of not too bad traffic conditions, like an average. This is the first time I have had Shell power in my bike. Earlier I was just keeping it on XP95, in the 700 kilometers that I have had on this bike. But yeah, this Shell petrol actually feels good. It is not bad. I'm feeling my bike to be very smooth. Oh shit, I forgot to strap my helmet. On the topic of petrol, what I would suggest is have a mix of XP95 or Power 95 and mix it sometimes with Shell Power. So basically Shell Power is not a high octane fuel, but what it has is a lot of additives which is supposed to clean your engine and increase its performance. So in between full tanks of high octane fuel, it's good to add this Shell Power as well, so that the engine stays clean and working at optimum performance. At least that is what I have planned to do. This is very dark area. Let me turn on the okay, this is the main beam, this is the low beam. Okay, I don't know if in the video you are able to make difference, but I'm switching between my low beam and high beam. It's fine, it's not that bad. But yes, maybe auxiliary light might be required if I decide to go touring on this. For city use, it is perfect. As you can see, now the range is coming 228 kilometers plus. If I get very less traffic at the flyover now, it will even increase now. But what I have observed with around XP95 ride, I get around 15 km per liter in the city, like a mix of freehand riding and traffic riding. Yeah, this is a good place. I'll also tighten my helmet strap. I love to filter traffic on this machine. I think I'm running out of battery, but should be sufficient to get me the shot of getting the petrol filled. I'm just near the petrol pump. Here is the petrol pump. XP95, they generally serve here. XP95 उधर ही. फुल टैंक कर दो भैया। एक सेकंड। डालो, ऊपर तक भर देना। और भरना थोड़ा। बस। ओके, कितना हुआ? 179.08, 1.74 लीटर। लकी। यूपीआई उस पर कर दो। क्या हो रहा है? हो okay, let's come here and do the calculations. So 1 point, I forgot what was the thing. 1.74 liters. Okay, great. Okay, let's see. Trip is 37.2. So 37.2 divided by 1.74. 21. So this is the mileage I'm getting. Not bad. Great. 21 kilometers per liter. Even let's assume that there is some margin of error because I filled the tank both the times, so there can be a little level difference which my eyesight cannot differentiate. But even so, if not 21, then 20, 19, 18, I think any of these numbers are fabulous given that I drove in a mixture of traffic conditions as well as light traffic like how it is right now. And for a bike of this size and caliber, I feel it is fantastic mileage. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section and what your Z900 is giving you. Also, I didn't go easy on her, right? See you guys. Bye.